Now that we know what prime factors are, let us learn how to express a whole number as a product of its prime factors. Expressing a whole number as a product of its prime factors. Example. Express 36 as a product of its prime factors. To do this, we continuously check prime numbers that can divide the number 36 until we get to 1. And then we write out the product of all these prime factors, and then that is how we express this number 36 as a product of its prime factors. So let's see how it's done. You will write the number 36 and then you draw a line. And then you begin to check prime numbers that go into 36 without a remainder. While doing this, ensure that you use the minimum prime number possible. That is, if a number is divisible by 3 and also divisible by 2, I do not use 3, but instead I will use 2, which is the lowest possible prime factor. So in this case, the lowest prime factor that can divide 36 without a remainder is 2. Now you write that here, and then find out how many times it will divide 36 without remainder. So 2 in 3, that is 1, remainder 1. Then in 16, that is what? 8. That is 2 would divide 36 18 ways without a remainder. Now we continue to find out more prime numbers that can divide as we go down. Now we have 18. The next prime number that can divide 18. Now in this case, 3 can divide 18, but that is not the lowest prime number. 2 can still divide 18, so we would use 2. Now 2 in 18, that will be 9. Now we see that 2 cannot divide 9. If you divide 9 by 2, you would have a remainder, so it won't work in this case. So we go to the next, which is 3. And can 3 divide 9? Yes. 3 in 9, we go 3 times. And 3 in 3, we go just 1. So now that we have 1 as our final answer, we stop at this point. Remember, 1 is not a prime number. So expressing 36 as a product of its prime factors. So that is factors of 36 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So that is 36 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And this is how we express a number by the product of its prime factors. Thank you.